Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with a graduation card. I wanted to come on and share. My youngest is graduating next Wednesday, or this coming Wednesday, and I wanted to make him a graduation card. I pulled out these stickers from my stash. It's from Dollar Tree, and I wanted to use them. I used this one and this one, but I'll show you what happened. I was going to use this one, but I put it back on the sheet. But yeah, so this came from Dollar Tree. So my first attempt on making his card, the green wasn't right. It was too dark. The gold didn't really go with the number jewels. And the layout was just terrible. And then I used some sequins, really flat sequins. It just didn't turn out right. This was kind of cute, and I don't know. Maybe I should have done a circle instead. I don't know. But that was my first attempt, and then I even used some of the stickers for the inside. Um, yeah, so that was my first attempt. But this is the one that I really like. So this is see how dark the green was? Yeah. So his colors are green, black, and white, and I think a little bit of silver because I saw on his tassel that it had 25 in silver. So I was like, I should have just gone with my gut and used silver on here. So here's that sticker from the Dollar Tree. I like how the white makes it stand out. And then I layered silver, green, white, and black cardstock. Oh, I just like how that looked. And then I matted some black cardstock with some silver. And then I put the 2025 jewel numbers. So, and then I used some, those it's not mesh, it's like blingy mesh. So I used some of that on here and then on the bottom of this. So I really like, and this is a different style card. It kind of folds this way. And then there's I used another sticker. Um, and that's my graduation card to my son. So that is it. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.